Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing December's Boxycharm. I'm coming at you barefaced, don't clock me, because we're going to be using everything in this box this month to get a full face. I did take a look at the products and I'm only like halfway excited. It looks like a low value box, which is fine, but it could be better. You know what I'm saying? Like it just could be a little better. I'm also coming to you on my lunch break, so it's a mess behind me. The lighting is weird. Bear with me. One day we will fix it. The day I get my own camera and don't have to rely on this setup to film, bear with us. It will get better. Without further ado, let's start with my eyes because we did get an eyeshadow palette in this box. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here on the channel for future videos. And the way to do that is by like, comment, and subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Also, if you got a Boxycharm, let me know down below what you got in your box this month. I did just go ahead and prime my eyes, and let's introduce the Caliente palette by Artist Couture. Let's read. It says, turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with this versatile, glow-getter approved palette. It is $30. It looks like this, and the inside looks like this. It comes in red packaging. I'm gonna be honest, it came just like this in the palette. The box. It had no box on it. It just was sitting there like this. You know, I don't like that. But the shades are just okay. I'm not really impressed. I think this is the high pearl one right here. Let's see. The metallic is there, so let's not clock it yet. Let's get these on my eye. You know the drill here. I'm going to do a little sped up makeup application using this palette, and I don't know where to begin. All right, let's get started. All right, I'm going to stop there on the eyes. Just a disclaimer, if you can hear my heat, it is on, it is cold. So I only use the yellow and the red here for this, and it is really pretty. It gave me an orange gradient that I love. Stopping here because we did get a Eloise Get Lit metallic foiled liquid eyeshadow. So I want to use this as my kind of shimmer shade. It's like a nail polish, but it is stunning. Let's read. Enrich your eyelids and get lit with Eloise's luxurious, long-wearing metallic foiled liquid eyeshadow. Perfect blend of metallic and glitter. Transform any look. $26. Okay. Got like a little, doe foot. She's foiled. She's foiled. So we're going to get this on my eye. I'm not a humongous fan of foiled, or, love foiled, of, liquid eyeshadows. I do find them just a little bit tricky to work with, so I'm going to take my time here. Let me find a good brush for this. I'm a little nervous. I'm going to just take it and just start kind of tapping it on my whole lid. Oh, it's so weird feeling on my eyes. Then I'm going to take a flat shader brush and kind of just move it where I want it. I'm rather impressed. So off of my impression, very easy to move around and manipulate, but as I'm moving it, it doesn't like lift. It still sits kind of where I placed it, but it's still blendable. I'm gonna add just a little teeny bit more. Wow, I think it's actually really, really pretty. Let me do the other eye and we will be right back. On record, in this video, I think that this is stunning on the eyes, and I don't know how to describe it. It let me move and manipulate it, but it didn't lift up where I put it down before. So as I'm like moving it around and working it, it's not becoming an issue. It is a really, really nice product. The trick is now seeing how well it lasts on the eye. and to see if it can withstand being blended out a little bit, because I do need to get in there and do a little bit of blending. I'm going to do that, and I will check back in with you in 1 second. So I went in and blended it and darkened the outer corner, and I love this. I think that this is really, really good. Now, this eye doesn't really match this sweater, but you know, we're not leaving the house, so I'm just going to take this off anyway and continue my work day, but I really, really like this. I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll check back in a second when I have a new product to use. All right, we have the majority of my face on. I'm gonna be setting it, but the next thing we got is this Ofra banana powder, brightening and setting powder. Love the Ofra packaging, but it's really kind of bulky and thick just right off the bat. But I got a whiff of banana as soon as I opened it, and it does in fact smell like banana. So this is their banana powder. Let's read. It says this innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented. Yep, extremely versatile. Use it to conceal dark under eye circles, which I need. Set concealer and foundation, highlight, and even uses a matte eyeshadow. Not sure about the eyeshadow, but I am going to be attempting to put this on my under eyes. But as you can see, it is clearly darker than my face. So let's test it out. Oh, and this is $35. Holy shit. I'm just pressing it in. I'm not going to set my whole face with it, just my under eyes. Do I think my under eye is set? Yes. Do I think it is brightened? No, I do not. And it's even putting like yellow on the brush, so I'm worried. I'm worried that it's just the good lighting I have right now in my room, and that I'm actually yellow under here. Smells really good. I love the scent of artificial banana. Brightened, no. Set, yes. I mean, this is dead for me. I don't really like banana powders because it's so dark on my under eyes. I don't want anything this dark ever going under there. Let me look in the sunlight. In the sunlight, you can see a faint, and I mean very faint yellow tint. I'm going to set the rest of my face, put bronzer, highlight, all that on, and I'll be back to test out the last 2 products. All right, I am back. I finished my full face, and I did my under eyeshadow because we have a mascara. This is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara in the shade Black. It is not new. You know, they didn't reinvent the wheel with this. I've had this 100 times. But it says, warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, curling mascara. Soft brush, lightweight triple black formula, $23. My favorite mascara, or one of, is the Lights Camera Lashes. This one's just okay. Sorry if you can hear the heat. It is back on. It is December like 15th, I believe, today, and we're supposed to get a super bad storm tomorrow, like snow. So it is kind of cold out, so the heat keeps kicking on. And I live with 4 other people who don't film YouTube videos, so I don't want to inconvenience anybody by turning the heat off. So my trusty subscribers are just going to have to deal with it with me. I mean, it's pretty. Not going to deny that. I love the brush. The brush is like what I consider a clump crusher. It's like super long and thin. Let me do this other eye and I will be right back. There is my mascara done. Like I've said, I've had this before. My only issue with this is it's advertised as a lengthening mascara. I don't think it's curling or lengthening, but volumizing. Yeah, I like it. $23 price tag. I would not buy it on my own anymore. I did once or twice before. Lights Camera Lashes is way better than this, in my opinion, but it's still really good, and I'll definitely get use out of it in my collection. The last thing is this MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Russian Red, and I think it's going to go really nicely with this look. It says it is iconic, creamy rich formula, blah, 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 no shine matte finish, $19. Ooh, she is red. I hate putting red lipstick on. First of all, it's on my teeth already. Knowing myself, I probably should have did a lip liner. It is a great red for the holidays. This is such a nice red. The formula is awesome. Everyone knows about MAC, you know, eyeshadows. Everyone knows about MAC lipsticks, and I think that this is a beautiful, beautiful color. Not a huge fan of reds in general on me, but I can get behind this. Definitely a good Christmas color. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. This is what I got in my December Boxycharm. Quick rundown. Love this. Love this. This is my favorite thing in the box. Love those two. Indifferent about both of these. They'll be used in my collection kind of sparingly, especially this one. Not a big red person, but I can't deny how good my lips look. And this will get used because it's a mascara, but Not my favorite. And I will be passing this Ofra powder along to my sister, who has just a little bit of a deeper complexion than I do, and she might be able to actually get some brightening out of this. My pale ass did not. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm for December? Leave me comments down below letting me know what you got. That's it for this video, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here on the channel for future videos. We're going to have some Christmas clam coming up. And I think for the year 2021, I want to do a shop my stash or like a project pan. I'm going to do something along those lines. So stay tuned for that. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.